Even my barbecue is rusty. So you can actually get a good cut with a cheap reciprocating saw if you put an expensive blade on it. Anyway, I got my piece cut out here. I screwed it to the old workbench so it wouldn't go flopping around everywhere. So with it all cut out, you see I cut it bigger than what it was because I'm going to cut the edges and fold it all to make a little box to hold my charcoal. You know, it's another great opportunity to just practice using tools like this square. You can set it and mark out the same distance all the way around. So when you have a real precise project, you know how to set this up and know how to work it. On something like this, you screw it up, it doesn't matter. But if you practice, you get used to it, and everything else will go pretty good in the future for you. So I can actually weld, like I said. And it's really easy to weld when you have nice clean metal. And you also can see the heat penetration all around our welded edge. And if you don't see that, well, you're only putting metal on a joint rather than into a joint. You have to melt this side with that side with your filler wire. Like I said, a lot of bad people out there welding on YouTube don't know how to get good penetration, welding on dirty metal and overpaint and blah blah blah. So the last weld I just showed you was a stitch weld where I went tack, 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 tack. And this one did a nice, continuous, clean bead on it. So this way you can practice what you're doing, your welding techniques and settings on your welder and all that good stuff. And then go put it in barbecue and warp the hell out of it with hot charcoal when you're trying to cook meat and drinking beer and stuff like that. Right? And now it's time for this shenanigans, drilling about 45,000 holes in this thing. Want to test your patience and monotony? Drill a bunch of holes in something. But drill press is the right tool for this job for sure. Once you get going, just zip, 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 hole, hole, hole. And only on the second drill bit too. And the first one was kind of cowardly and broke after the second hole, but this one's going awesome. And it's getting nice and hot, which is, well, this drill is really good because it's only mild steel. But crappy Mastercraft drill bit, doing good. And might I add, this is an awesome way to make a cheese grater. So I've gone outside the reach of my drill press now, so I have to drill this center section by hand. Yay.